beautiful people, welcome back to another amazing video. As you can see, we have the Kampala Flyover road in the background. That is the flyover itself. Right now I'm in the center of it all. I'm standing in the center. This is going to be like the junction. Let me show you the panoramic view of it all. That road comes from the city center, Kampala. This one comes from Zambia and also Ginger Road, Mukwano side. This one comes from Entebbe side. And this one comes from Mengo, the Kabaka's Palace. So this is how it looks here. And today we are going to have a detailed tour of this project, guys. So guys, if you've not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe, enable the bell button so you'll never miss a video from me, and kindly leave your thoughts in the comment section about this project. Tell me what you think. So guys, we are starting our vlog here at the Entebbe side. On my left hand is Rusafi Market. Behind the market there is Rusafi Tax Park. This road comes from Katwe and this one goes to Entebbe Road. And here is the beautiful flyover road project. The last time we were here, guys, I remember something like 4 months back, the pillars were covered with polythene covers. But right now you can see they have put what should I call it? Is it a platform? Yeah, they are going to pour concrete. You see those blue tiny metals? Yeah, so they are putting the project together and it is really coming to shape. Here we have trucks, they are carrying watermelon. So this is how it is, guys. Tell me, from the last time we made a video, we didn't have those structures there, those blue metals. It is really amazing. Actually, inside there is also another road on the other side. It is about to be completed. That road is going to be linking these vehicles to Entebbe Road there. Yes, those coming from the city center. People are hustling here. She's selling me. Yeah, so this is how it looks here. Very, very nice. Very beautiful. You see, it is evening time, but traffic is not so big because it's a weekend. No, we don't have many people in the city because it's a weekend. Actually, in the front there, we are going to see that the biggest part of it has been worked upon. They have removed the metals. For instance, these blue metals you see, on the other side they are removed. So it is all open and it looks very, very beautiful. It looks very, very nice. Actually, also at this point you can see they have put cables. Maybe those cables will be for the lights embedded within the road. Wow, this is so amazing. See? Here, guys, this is how it looks. So these are the metals which they are going to be using for the footbridge. On this side as well, we are going to have a footbridge. For pedestrians. You can see the structures already getting erected, the pillars. The footbridge is going to be here, and that road comes from Mengo, the road we talked about. Also on the other side there is going to be a footbridge. You can see the pillars are already erecting. There is that one in white. Yeah, I think the footbridge is going to go around like this. It is going to be a circular one, a circular footbridge. Yes, it's going to be nice. Actually, right now at this very point where I'm standing, we used to have the clock tower here. That long tower we used to have in Kampala. It used to stand, it used to be here, but it is no more. I'm not sure whether they will be putting another clock tower here. It was a very, very tall tower. So this is the road which comes from Machisenyi, Mengo, yeah, and it proceeds to the city center, and this one goes to Zambia. Let me show you how this side looks like, guys. Thank you. All right, so this is how it looks here. It is an open space for people. It used to be so muddy here. Yeah, but I love the fact that it's been worked upon. In the recent days, they were digging out clay from this side, but right now they have poured the maram, and later on they are going to be working upon it. This project is going to look very, very good. Very good. So basically there is not so much that side. There is not so much that side. Let us proceed to this other side. So these are the pillars for the footbridge. We have fire brigade is on that side. So this is how traffic is here at the moment. It's evening time. This water channel comes from Oweno and also other hills there like Mengo, and it crosses here and it proceeds up to Mukwano side, up to Lake Victoria. This is how it is here. So guys, we are here at this junction. Behind me is ShopRite. This road goes to Container Village. This is the Indian temple, it's called Swaminarayan. This is the city center. We have the old tax park on that side. And here is the beautiful flyover project. Starts here. I think the road will be stopping here. Right now we have the footbridge. This is the footbridge of Clock Tower. This footbridge connects you to Queensway, Nakasero. But right now we are walking from this side of ShopRite. Guys, check it out and tell me what you think about it. It's a massive one. These are the first ones these are the first footbridges I think we are going to be having in Uganda. These are metallic. Yeah, so this road goes to Kampala Road. This is the Queensway. There's also another Indian temple up there. This used to be ShopRite. That is Nakasero. So right now we are going to be walking to this other side of the flyover. You can see, guys, it is so beautiful, man. I really love it. I can't wait for this project to get done because it is already so beautiful. On that side, they are still working on that side. I can see that is where they have kept some of the equipment they are using for building up this magnificent footbridge. So right now I'm crossing. And while crossing on these Kampala roads, you've got to be super careful. Guys, this is how it looks here. They are digging drainage channel. You can see they are digging drainage here. Even this side, they are still digging drainage. This is how it is. I love the fact that the drainage is going to be covered. It's not going to be an open drainage system like the old style roads, those roads which were constructed like 7 years back. Most of them had open drainage, but this one, all the drainage is covered. The pedestrian lanes are going to be wide. From what I'm seeing, they are going to be very, very wide. So here we go. This is the drainage, guys. I showed you the Nachibobo channel where it runs from Owino. It starts from there and then it crosses up to this side. You can see even this side the channel was expanded. It used to be small, but it was expanded. You can see the water. That is the water. That water comes from it comes, I think, from Mango Hill. That is where it comes from. Those are street kids. They are trying to catch up around there. And this is the part here. This one also, this area was expanded. It really looks good. This road is going to be very good. It's going to have a lot of space to itself. Even on this side we have the footbridge. I think this footbridge is going to be going around this junction, because we have pillars for the footbridge there. We have them on the other side. We have them on the other side. We have them on the other side as well. So I think it is going to be a circular footbridge. This is where it is going to start from, on this side. Yeah, man. And there we go, the magnificent flyover. You can see some part of it has been completed. That's why you see it is open. It is pure concrete, but some bit of it we still have the metals holding the structure. So right now we are walking on the side of the Zambia to check out how it looks here as we enjoy the view of the flyover itself. So you see here, there are still those metals because they are still holding the structure. It is not hard enough. They are still pouring the concrete. This side where they have removed it, it is dried up. It has dried up. But this side, I think it is not yet, or they have not yet poured the concrete. So this is also another channel which was expanded, another drainage channel. Let's see how it is here. It also connects to that big channel which I've showed you earlier. The other channel we've seen back in the video. This is where the water is coming from. Oh, these are, I think, internet cables. Yeah, man. Let us proceed. So this is some of the equipment they are going to be using for the footbridge. These are some of the metals. Guys, I think I found another YouTuber. I found another person vlogging. I don't know if he's taking pictures or just recording videos. Big man, Jawad, are you a vlogger?
Yeah.
What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Willing.
Guys, can you imagine I bumped into another YouTuber trying to record a video about the flyover?
Yeah.
What's the name of your channel?
It's called Willing.
Willing
Studios.
Yeah. I think doing a channel called UG Connect.
Yeah, I've seen it on some of my feeds.
Yeah, I've seen you somewhere in my comments or...
Okay.
Are you a subscriber?
I think.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, big up.
Subscribe to channels that I know come from Uganda, so...
Wow. When that equipment is very big.
Yeah.
My camera is almost... actually, even this capice is very big compared to my camera.
Yeah, it's a strong one. I use it for different things.
For different things?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, haven't you had troubles when you're recording around the city?
Of course. I've had so many troubles. So many of them. Mainly, that's why you're seeing me on the weekend like this. Like on Sundays.
Actually, on the weekend, it is much safer recording over the weekend.
It's safe and easier for me to do whatever I want. So, but I've faced so many challenges here and there, as you know.
Like what?
Like KCCE, police, people.
They be like, why are you recording? And especially you with this big camera. You're more professional than me.
So there are some places I don't go with this. I have another small GoPro. So
you have a GoPro as well?
Yeah, I have a GoPro.
That's nice. Man, me, I use a GoPro.
Yeah, it's easier.
Because it is very small. It's not easy to detect.
I know.
Yes, but yours, I've spotted you from afar.
I know. This calls for attention, of course.
Yeah, indeed. What do you think about that project, you as a Ugandan?
It's a unique one. It's a nice one. And me as a Ugandan, I know the challenges we have been facing. It's traffic jam. It's so chaotic, most especially during the evening and the morning hours. So I think this will bring some breathe.
It will reduce on the congestion in the city.
Reduce some congestion in the city. I think so.
Oh, that's amazing.
You know, there are so many projects that don't get accomplished, so let's wait and see.
Yeah, we've had many projects being talked about.
But I heard that this one is going to be in phases. I think this is the first phase.
Yes.
There are going to be like 3 phases.
Yes.
So they'll first pull this one. There is another one that will pass, I think, in Namilembe Road.
Are you serious?
There is another one that is going to connect that side of Munyonyo, then...
no, that is the southern bypass.
I think the southern. So it's a big one.
Yes.
So this is the first phase. That's what I hear.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Let's wait and see.
Let's wait and see. And man, thank you so much for showcasing Uganda to the world.
I know, man. I love my country.
Yeah, we need more people like you.
I always want to pull out the positive side of it.
Yes.
So I've done so many short videos on different things.
Yes.
In Uganda, lords, buildings, people, food. So yeah, I try my best. So,
yeah, guys, kindly go and subscribe to my brother's YouTube channel.
Yes.
I've just bumped into him. It's indeed a surprise. Yeah. So I'm going to be leaving your channel link in my description.
Okay, that's good.
So that people can come and check you out, because man, you're putting in a lot. Look at this kind of camera. Mine is very small. He's risking his big gadget. This spot where he's standing right now, we have many street kids around this area, so anyone can come and snatch away the camera, run. So he's risking a lot just to showcase Uganda.
Yeah.
Bro, what drives you to make these kind of videos about the country?
What drives me is the unique features we have around. Like when I was reading about, I had some friends that from UK, German, what. So the first thing they ask about you when they want to come to Uganda, they ask you, Are there hotels? Are there nice hotels? Are there good lodges? So people know Uganda as something
as a jungle.
As a jungle, as a war zone.
Yeah.
So,
some people actually think that we sleep on trees.
They think we are in a war zone.
Yeah.
So I wanted that drove me to try to show the world that Uganda is not what you think it is. Yeah, we have some beautiful things around us.
Yes.
However much is not the best, but
yes,
yeah,
that's right.
We are there. We have hope.
Man, let me have your contact, bro.
Okay.
Let me connect with you.
All right.
We shall talk more. Let me give you time to also make your videos. Yeah, so guys, kindly go and subscribe to my brother's channel. Indeed. I've really loved it, meeting up with someone in the same field, vlogging. We've discussed a lot the challenges we go through, and he's really doing well because he's even risking his big camera, an expensive camera, to record videos. So he is worth a sub, guys. Kindly go there and subscribe to his channel. So let us proceed with the vlog around this area. So guys, as you can see, this entire part is going to be a pedestrian lane. You can see it is so big. All the area is going to be dedicated to pedestrians. Wow. This area as well fits like 2 cars, but it's all a pedestrian lane, and that is the side for the vehicles, for the traffic, for motor traffic. How are you? You're fine. So guys, that's the underpass road. You want to see yourself? Chikumi. Okay, kankwe Chikumi. Gwen kwade. Where? Wait, I've given you. Baby, what? Huh? That's enough. Bye-bye, that's enough. Street kids. They want money. So here we go. Guys, I can see they are building a new market here. This is going to be a new market. I think we shall go and check it out. Over. Pepe. Kishi, what? Huh? What? I've already given you Nkwade. Nkwade. Go back. So because I've entertained them, they are walking after me. So if I didn't stop them, they would have followed me all the way through. They are very, very stubborn street kids. So this is the Nsambya Junction. This used to be the Nsambya Junction, but it has been eaten up by the flyover as well, by the road project. So that is the beautiful Arena Mall, Arena Shopping Mall, a very big mall, one of the latest malls we have in Kampala. It is usually massive over the weekends like this. There are many people there. So right now we are crossing. Thank you. All right. So let's check this side. Guys, all this space is for the flyover project. It's for the road project. You can imagine how big this project is going to be. It's going to be a very big road project. So it's next to the Arena Mall. The owner of the Arena Mall was very, very strategic. Because first of all, it was built very, very fast, and it is just next to the flyover, the road project. Very strategic. Just after the city, as people are coming from the city from that side, they come here, park at the mall and buy stuff. You see, it's a big one. So this is the drainage channels. And this is the main entrance to the Arena Mall. That is the main entrance to the Arena Mall. The Arena Mall was open, I think, 1 year back. I've made several videos about it. If you want to know more information about it, you can check them in the links on the channel and also in the description down below. So this is the main road where traffic is. I think, let me take you. This is the pedestrian lane. There is not so much here. Let me take you along this road. Actually, let me even cross and take you on the other side, which is being worked upon. Oh yeah, so this is the other side, which is being worked upon. It also has a covered drainage. The pedestrian lane is going to be big as well. You can see it. So this one goes to Zambia, Gaba, sharing hall in Zambia, the Zambia Hospital. Yeah, Chibuye, you can actually use it to go to Chibuye as well. So it's a big project which is going to help the city so much on traffic. I think after the completion of this project, we will no longer have a problem of traffic in the city. The city will be decongested. This is another entrance to the Arena Mall. That's also another entrance to the beautiful Arena Mall. This is a police station, a roadside police post. Right now we are approaching the Zambia sharing hall. Let me go and show you how it looks like there. The Zambia sharing hall. That is the main entrance to the sharing hall. Everyone who has studied in Kampala High School, I believe you've been to that hall, may have a lot of memories there. Many school seminars are held there, are held at the Zambia Sharing Hall. This looks like sewage. Maybe some pipes broke as they were digging the road. So guys, on this side of Mukwano, which goes to Ginger Road, this is where the flyover will be stopping, because I see it is stopping just around here. On that side we have Uganda Police CID headquarters. So it's beautiful here. This is Mukwano factory, and this is how it looks here. We are going to be checking out this side, this lane, because I can see they are working on it. And this is the lane which is now being used. The drainage channels are being worked upon. Those are caravans in the background there. And let me also show you around here, because the drainage channel also this side was worked upon. Yep. Wow, the pedestrian lanes again are going to be very big, guys. Imagine from that stone up to here. Oh, this is going to be a pedestrian lane. It's going to be amazing. The pedestrian lanes are very, very big on this road. You can imagine from those stones up to this side, to this drainage. All that space, you can see it. It almost fits 2 cars. This is going to be a pedestrian lane. So this is the drainage, and this is how it looks. This one gets water from Chibuli Hill. It collects water from that hill you're seeing over there. And the channel, it goes and connects to Nachibubo channel. Yeah, so this is how it is here, guys. Yeah, it's really an impressive project. Indeed, the project is coming to shape. This is the main entrance to the way bridge of Mukwano factories. Yeah, man. Let's use this lane. Very beautiful. Kampala is rising. It's indeed a beautiful thing to see that this project is taking shape steadily. There are many projects which have been started and stopped, which have been in the pipeline for years. They are never becoming a reality, but at least I'm happy this project is becoming a reality here in Uganda. It's a beautiful evening here, and this is the Kampala skyline, guys. That is the Kampala skyline, Kampala city. Very beautiful. So traffic is on that lane because this one is still being worked upon, so they are using the other lane. After working on this side, traffic is going to be shifted this side, and then they work on the other sides as well. Wow. I think this project is going to take around the next 2 to 3 years to completion. Yeah. And also another beautiful thing I love about it is the drainage is covered. You see, drainage runs underground. This is where the water will be going. Yes. So there are drainage channels under there. Though we have problems in Kampala city over drainage channels being open, but I love the fact that these ones are closed. These ones have covers. Yes, I think KCCA or the government should be so serious on the maintenance. So right now we are approaching the footbridge. It's also called a pedestrian bridge. That one in white is called the footbridge. It looks so magnificent here. Yo, what's up? What is that? It looks so nice. So this is where they keep their equipment. This is where the equipment is kept. It is too dusty here, guys. It is too dusty here. This is how it is here. Let's go to this side. And I want to walk on top of the footbridge. kwetolera wali kukomeeza yatetuuziwawo kigirewa kwetolera kukomeeza Mario they're interested in flyover saagala kumanya Kama unga tupu